my name is Juliette. Here I will briefly explain the key findings of my master's thesis, where I tried to understand the role of whale falls in the context of deep sea species evolution. Whale fall is the term for the process of decomposition and sinking of a whale after its death, which contributes to deep sea organisms' energy creation. They are ephemeral but thriving oases for some organisms and species. In the third successional stage, which is called the sulfophilic stage, chemosynthetic organisms colonize the carcass. This creates reducing environments such as cold sleep and hydrothermal vents, which are related by their dependence on chemosynthetic primary production. It often supports overlaps in faunal assemblages like specialized taxa such as Bathymodiolus mussels. This study was conducted in the Azores archipelago on the mid-Atlantic range. A juvenile sperm whale carcass was sunk in 2015 at almost 100 meters depth, and in 2021 Oceanics went again and collected a vertebra. That's the sample I've been working on. The methodology was done through imagery analysis, taxonomical identification, and genetic double identification. Here are the main carcass differences from the first dive 5 years prior, where we can see a clear bone reduction. For the sample analysis, I extracted and identified 9 taxa to the lowest taxonomical level possible. And for the letter E, H, and I, which are the polychaetes and the species of mussel, a double identification with genetic technique was done. Thanks to it, we determined that the Mytilide present was the Bathymodiolus azoricus. Therefore, we were able to say that the whale fall acts as a chemosynthetic environment because this mussel uses endosymbiont species in its gill to produce organic matter in the absence of sunlight. The sulfophilic stage has been confirmed to be initiated, and this result reinforced the idea of the stepping stone. Indeed, the Bathymodiolus azoricus is present in Menengwen, nearby hydrothermal vents. The Azores being a hotspot for whale fall and chemosynthetic environment, it reinforced, as I just said, the stepping stone hypothesis. With this study, we know that whale fall provide a bridge between whale fall and other chemosynthetic environments, such as hydrothermal vents for chemosynthetic species. The idea is that some species exploit multiple habitat types over evolutionary and ecological timescales. There may be transitional habitat between vents, seeps, and other organic substrates across the deep sea floor. This evolutionary potential provides connectivities for communities, and in this specific study, the novelty is that the whale fall is a stepping stone for a hydrothermal vent endemic species. Thank you so much. If you have any question, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. Bye.